Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that's perfect for both aspiring photographers and seasoned enthusiasts alike. We found the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera double zoom lens kit, and we've added the link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Canon EOS Rebel T7? This camera is a versatile digital single-lens reflex (DSLR) camera that combines ease of use with impressive features, making it an excellent choice for beginner photographers looking to step up their game. The kit comes with two lenses, the EFS 18-55mm lens, which is ideal for everyday shots and landscapes, and the EF 75-300mm lens, perfect for capturing distant subjects like wildlife or sports events. Let's talk about some of the standout features of the T7. First and foremost, it boasts a 24.1 megapixel CMOS AF sensor, which allows you to capture stunning images with remarkable detail. The sensor is complemented by an improved Dual Pixel CMOS AF and eye detection autofocus, ensuring your subjects are always sharp and in focus, even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the key advantages of the T7 is its ISO range, which runs from 100 to 6400 and is expandable to H.12800. This flexibility allows you to shoot in various lighting situations, whether it's a bright sunny day or a dimly lit indoor event. The 9-point autofocus system, along with AI Servo AF, provides reliable tracking of moving subjects, making it a solid choice for action shots. For those who enjoy video, the T7 does not disappoint. It captures full HD 1080p videos, allowing you to create high-quality content for your social media channels or family memories. Plus, it features an optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage, which helps you compose your shots accurately. Another great addition is the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, which enables seamless sharing of your images and videos. You can easily connect your camera to your smartphone or tablet, making it simple to post your work online or send files to friends and family. Just keep in mind that the operating temperature range is between 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's best suited for typical outdoor photography conditions. Now, who is this camera suitable for? The Canon EOS Rebel T7 is ideal for beginner photographers who want a user-friendly interface while still having access to advanced features as they progress in their skills. It's also a great option for hobbyists looking for a reliable camera that can handle a variety of shooting scenarios, from family gatherings to travel adventures. Practical use cases for the T7 are virtually endless. Imagine capturing a family reunion with your loved ones, taking stunning landscape photos on a hiking trip, or even documenting a local sports event. With its lightweight design and two versatile lenses, it's easy to carry around, making it perfect for on-the-go photography. In conclusion, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with the double zoom lens kit is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone looking to explore photography without feeling overwhelmed by complex features. Its impressive image quality and user-friendly design make it a worthwhile investment for those ready to capture life's special moments. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget